It has a super long warranty.
That's not the same thing.
Sure it is. Saving brakes, you can rely on the warranty. It's reliable.
So it's the warranty that's reliable, not necessarily the cost.
Are you this tough on the Honda dealers? I feel like you aren't.
The Accord from Honda. Named most trusted brand in America by KBB.com. Only a Honda is a Honda.
Cartels are operating here. Be careful. On the city's most dangerous street.
Drop the gun!
LA's top guns will face off against the world's deadliest cartel.
Put your hands over your head!
And watch Rated R.
So, we all set?
I've got 2 tickets to Paradise. Pack your bags, we'll see it tonight.
6 months, actually.
Paradise.
No, 4.
Whoa,
Remember?
whoa, 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 whoa.
You know, Ronnie, folks who save hundreds of dollars by switching to Geico sure are happy. And how happy are they, Jimmy?
Happier than any money running a travel agency.
Oscar. Get Geico. 15 minutes could save you 50% or more.
I was having trouble getting out of bed in the morning because my back hurt so bad.
The Sleep Number bed conforms to you. Wake up in the morning with no back pain.
Do you toss and turn, wake up with back pain? If so, call us now. You'll learn how the Sleep Number bed helps relieve back pain by allowing you to adjust the firmness and support to conform to your body for a more proper spinal alignment. Just look at this research. 93% of participants experience back pain relief. Plus, it's a great value because it costs about the same as an innerspring, yet lasts twice as long. So if you want to sleep better or find relief for your bad back, call now.
Call 1-800